Welcome back to Spicy Tech. I am Mark,
I'm crying.
and today we have something special for you. We have an underground parking stress test. We're going to try to navigate with FSD 2 floors below ground. So
With rain.
with rain, so we have no connection, as you can see here on our screen, and we're just going to see if it actually pulls through. All right, let's get started. Let's see.
Okay, it's actually working.
It's kind of
Stuck?
it's stuck.
Why is it stuck?
Let's gonna give it some slight juice.
Okay.
Okay.
I just hope we don't hit this pole here.
It
Or any
just
pole.
it just doesn't want. It doesn't seem to want to go.
Is this all you?
Yeah, I'm just giving it some pushing here, but I stopped it. I stopped it here. So
it's working now?
yeah, it's working now. I just
Okay.
need to
We
lower
gotta
down
turn
the
that all the way
speed
down.
to about 15 or
I
10.
think 10 is good.
So it's folding in the mirrors and it's making that
To get
left
through
turn.
that turn. Okay, interesting.
It has to go straight. It wants to go through
Oh.
this truck here. It doesn't make
Through
sense doing
the
that.
truck?
So it's like, okay, yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Now it wants to go straight. I'm gonna slow it back down now.
Yeah, it keeps like speeding up the.
Yeah, that's what I don't like. It should just stick to my thing, man. Okay, so yeah, so we have a wall now. It wants to make a right turn, but we have to make a left turn. There's nothing on the right.
Woo! Okay, it's a little
Okay.
too spicy
All
on
right.
that turn.
Okay, it did it. And now we're going up to the first floor.
This is all without internet connection, so this is actually not horrible, to be honest. Alright, we have some speed bumps here, so we might have to turn it down a little
Woo!
bit. Yeah,
All
turn
right,
it
so we're
down.
slowing it down there to 10.
10 is reasonable, I think. Okay.
That's all right.
It's saying the speed limit was 25. I don't know where it's getting that number from.
And we have a solid wall in front of us here. I'm just hoping that it could make it. It's indicating to go right, but we have to definitely make a left. It's creeping forward, trying to
Slam the
go up,
brakes.
and it has a safe zone. So
It just barely sees that road over there, too. It's like trying to figure out where we are.
all right, okay. It's not bad.
Nice.
Gotta go over this hump here.
Oh.
A little
I
bit
went up
rough.
to 11. Was that you?
No.
We gotta turn it back down to 10, maybe. I mean,
Okay,
it's
so
the
now
same
it has cars in front of us here. It has to make a left turn. It's thinking about what to do next.
thing. Just thinking about it.
Okay, we gotta go left. And okay, that was fine. Now I want to see.
Oh.
The thing is, it's maintaining its speed of 11, which is good. It's not going all kind of 40 kilometers on the ground, which would have been inconvenient.
I think the last time it thought these numbers on the side were the speed limit and just randomly changed. Let's see.
So, oh my gosh. So we're stuck? Is it gonna make a turn or not? I want to give it some joules here. 11, we had max 11.
Okay, the garage is opening for us.
It still wants to make a right, but we need to make a left.
Oh, okay, it got it.
All right, so I had to give it a little bit of joules there.
But it changed the direction.
Oops.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay, no.
I want to see where it's going to go, actually.
It was supposed to go straight, and now it's bringing us back up to 25 kilometers an hour.
Oh, it might think like what's upstairs is where we are.
I'm wondering if it's going to make us circle.
I think it thinks that we're like on ground level right now.
Huh. We gotta make a right turn here. Okay, that's fine. All right. Nope.
Okay.
Gonna slow that back down to 15.
Yeah, the ultimate question is it gonna take us outside?
It wants to go back inside of the basement. Okay, so I'm just gonna cancel that out.
We almost went outside.
Almost made it
Wanna try
outside.
from here? Let's see if we try from over here. This stop sign. I think we gotta point our nose a little left. Okay, it's doing it now.
Doing it? Okay, let's engage it now. Let's see if it's going to make it. I'm going to give it some joules now.
It's pointing to go out.
Needs to make a left turn here.
You got this. You got this. Yay!
Okay, I mean, it wasn't perfect, but it made it. And yeah, all right. Well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed that. There's some progress to be made, but it was definitely interesting. 2 levels below ground, raining conditions, no internet connection. Yep. Like, subscribe, share. Take care. Have a good night.
Bye.